In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Xero Expenses app. By the end, you'll have expenses enabled in Xero and be ready to capture receipts and submit claims right from your phone. Start by opening Xero in your web browser and signing into your organization. From the main dashboard, head to Purchases. This is where Xero groups everything related to bills and spending, and it's also your entry point to manage expenses. Next, open Purchases Settings. This takes you to the configuration area so you can tailor how expenses work for your team. From there, click Expense Settings. Think of this as the control center for the expenses feature. Policies, accounts, and access all live here. Inside Expense Settings, choose Expense Claims. Here, review who can submit expenses and who can approve them. Make sure the right people have permission to create claims and that approvers are clearly assigned, so submissions don't get stuck waiting. If you use spending limits or want notes and receipts to be mandatory, confirm those policy options while you're here. Now open the receipt scanning option. Turn on receipt scanning so the app can read key details like the amount, date, and supplier from a photo. This reduces manual entry and speeds things up for everyone. For best results, take photos on a flat surface with good lighting and avoid crumpled receipts. Even with scanning, keep the original paper or a clear digital image for your records. Before you roll it out to your team, go to the company menu and open Subscription and Billing. Confirm that your plan includes Xero Expenses. If you manage multiple organizations, double-check you're on the correct one. Ensuring the add-on is active avoids access issues later. Make sure the Xero Expenses add-on is enabled and assigned as needed. If you don't manage the subscription, ask the subscription owner to verify that expenses is included and that the right number of users are covered. Finally, download the Xero Me app from your device's app store, sign in with your Xero credentials, and you're ready to create your first expense. Tap to start a new claim, snap a photo of the receipt, and let the app read the details. Confirm the supplier, date, and total. Choose the correct expense account and tax rate and add a short description. If your organization uses tracking categories or projects, select those too. When everything looks good, submit the claim for approval. You'll be notified when it's approved or if more information is needed. That's it. Your Xero Expenses setup is complete, and you can capture and submit expenses on the go with confidence.